Recently, I had a request in the comments of my Dynamic Feedforward video. The request was on seeing the logic on how the feedforward part of the loop works. I figured it's time I should start answering some of these questions, so Disky76, this video is for you.
This is the dynamic feedforward simulator that we saw in the first video. The viewer was requesting to see the logic for the dynamic feedforward here. So to bring that up, I need to close DeltaV operate and open Control Studio. So here we can see the logic. This here's the feedback PID block up here with our temperature coming in, our signal out to our valve right here with the AI and the AO block. Down here we have an AI block doing the scaling for our flow rate. That flow rate change goes through this dead time block and then on to this lead lag block, and then the signal goes up to our feed forward val input on the PID block up here. So to show you the values that we saw in DeltaV operate, the first value would be dead time here, and it has a value of 9. And then our lead lag, lead time is 5, lag time is 2. So those values have to be calculated from the first video and then inputted into these blocks or accessed. I guess if you had a link in DeltaV operate to these values, you could change them from DeltaV operate from the operator interface. The other value of interest would be the feed forward gain, which is going to be up here in the PID block, 0.5 right here, the FF gain value. So if I just go back to DeltaV operate, we had a 0.5 for our feed forward gain. We saw that in the PID block. Lead time, lag time 5 and 2, they're in the lead lag block, and then the dead time of 9 right here. So that hopefully answers any questions that viewer had.